Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to enable and disable clips in Davinci Resolve. This is a fantastic feature that allows you to quickly toggle clips on and off in your timeline without deleting them, which is incredibly useful when you're testing different edits or comparing versions of your project. Let's jump right in and walk through this simple process. First, you'll need to open your Davinci Resolve application. Once the software loads up and you're in your project, take a look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see several workspace tabs available, and what you need to do is click on the one labeled Edit. This will switch you into the editing workspace where you can access your timeline and all your clips. This is the environment where you'll be doing most of your video editing work, so make sure you're in this mode before proceeding. Now that you're in the Edit workspace, it's time to select the clip you want to disable. Simply click on the clip in your timeline to highlight it. Once it's selected, press the D key on your keyboard. This single keystroke will instantly disable the clip, which means it will still remain in your timeline but won't appear in your final playback or export. You'll notice the clip becomes grayed out or dimmed, indicating that it's been disabled. This is a quick way to remove a clip from your project temporarily without losing its position or having to delete it entirely. If you want to re-enable that clip, the process is just as simple. With the same clip still selected, press the D key again on your keyboard. The clip will immediately become active once more, restoring it to its full color and making it visible in your playback. This toggle functionality makes it incredibly easy to experiment with different versions of your edit without having to undo multiple steps or move clips around. Now here's where things get even more powerful. You can actually enable or disable multiple clips at once. To do this, click on one clip in your timeline, then hold down the Shift key or the Control key on your keyboard. While holding one of these modifier keys, click on additional clips that you want to include in your selection. Once you've selected all the clips you need, simply press the D key and all of those clips will be disabled simultaneously. You'll see them all gray out at once, removing them from your active timeline. This is particularly helpful when you're working with complex edits and need to quickly toggle entire sections on or off. And just like with a single clip, you can enable those multiple clips again by pressing the D key once more. All the selected clips will become active together, restoring them to your timeline in one simple action. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to enable and disable clips in Davinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.